this is a VQ35 DE swapped GTR. As you can see, even though the DE has a single intake, the HR head swapped it, so now it revs to 2 RPM. All right, now we have our alternator here. This is a high flow, short throw, dipstick style alternator. And here, this is that. And then, if you see here, this is the wiring harness for the whole car right here. This is also doubles as a vacuum line through the intake. And now, if you come around through here, you'll see this is porcelain body kit work, very nice. We have the brake calipers in the front of the pancake because it looks very nice, and the weight goes to the front. And we got some Michelin.
What was that again? Tell me.
Michelin.
All right.
Pilot Sport for AC. Marshmallow Boy. Very big tire. So let's see. We've got some width, 295 inches. Aspect ratio of 3 billion, and -3 T-speeds for the diameter. Let's see. Now we have a copper duck-billed trunk. It's supposed to be on the hood, but you see, Stance Nation, so because of that, it goes on the, and it's flex fuel, so the fuel is actually flexible, so it can go into the injectors easier, and because of that, it can get more boom, right? So this runs on E-6 instead of E85 typically. What that does is antimatter. So antimatter fuel, right, more in the combustion chamber. And this here is a, this is actually sourced off of a EK9 hatch, and he just took 4 of those exhausts, and yeah. So this right here, if you look real closely, that's a taillight. And yeah, that's my car.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay, so we missed a little bit. This right here is Monopoly money. We actually took this from my house and put it in here while he wasn't looking. And if you look, that's 1, 2, that's at least $3.
All right, now we start with the carbon fiber. You know, you thought weight reduction. This is weight adduction. Because, all right, see this? See that? See how big that is? You can fist it. That's you make popcorn out of it. I don't know. See this? You know this Mitsubishi sign. You know that's Subaru. This is the WRX. It's just. Fuck it. All right, Vortex.
Oh, I gotta get that Instagram plug real quick. Let me just make sure.
Right.
Awesome.
Vortex, you know, Vortex Racing, Japan. No, that's not a country. This is purple. You know what purple means?
What does purple mean?
Those are the brakes. That's not the brakes. Those are the brakes. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piston brakes. Wow, that's a lot of stopping power. All right, now we're gonna go to the door handle. It's great. Okay. Then we go. We got the blue shift knob. You know my WRX can run buses on this.
What's your profanity?
Okay, that's about it. See this? You know, carbon fiber, weight deduction again. You know this is like the whole engine right here. This Hankook, that's like 800 horsepower to the wheels, easy.
All right. No,
hold on.
For the engine bay.
All right.
Oh, what? All right. So here we have a. This is a secondary air intake.
That's where I put my water, so when I get thirsty, I can just grab it and just take it.
Yo, you're totally right. This here is the alternator for the twin turbo power. You see that? T for
M stands for waste of money.
And here we have the, this is the intake manifold right here. This goes through the exhaust, it goes through the back of the car because this is in reverse half the time. So it goes through the exhaust in the intake manifold and it comes out of the intake, right? So this is a single exit Tome intake. It's a Tome, dog.
Hey, it's a Tome, dog.
Okay. And then right here,
that's where you
NOS.
put hot chocolate. Yeah, NOS. NOS is hot chocolate. You put NOS in there, it goes through these, and then it turns your car purple. That's why the whole engine bay is like purple.
Yeah, that's like a burnt titanium thing.
That's where you store the NOS. You're running 47 shots of NOS in that singular tube.
Double espresso.
Double
This
espresso.
is a Machacha Mamoto Topa Papa intercooler.
It's where you get fast, slow parts.
And this is the last thing right here. These little bolts right here. These actually, this actually made this car faster around the Nürburgring than the 919
off the video,
hybrid.
we got more carbon fiber. You know, people think that's weight reduction. It's really weight adduction.